Welcome back to another video of Home Decor Hub. Wood has been used as long as time itself. As a material and a style, it is always in fashion. And unlike metals and plastic, wood can be a renewable resources when using sustainable timber from forest. It's something you cannot replicate. Rustic wooden shelving bring so much character to a room. The combination of clean, bright interior with pop of natural wood is stunning. There is no doubt about it. Quality handmade wooden products stand the test of time because wood is so versatile. You can be sure that 100 plus years down the line they will still look great. Another benefit of wood shelving is that it's completely sustainable product. Being a natural product, it is able to be reused and recycled. Heavier the goods, stronger the shelf base need to be. Popular choices for this comes in the form of wire shelving and solid wood shelves. Lighter item will also work fine on a solid wooden shelf. The point is, if you want quality, something that will last and look great, solid wood is the way to go. Some shelves are designed to be hidden and some are made to be shown off in a subtle and classy way. Wire shelves, plastic storage, and even the mass produced shelving suit a purpose, but these products typically don't age too well, and once damaged, they look tatty. Solid wood is robust, and if you do damage your wooden shelves, it easily be repaired because it is a natural product. As with the other shelving material, you don't have to deal with winners peeling off, chip, chip edges, or blown. Sometimes, if wood does become a little scuffed, it can even enhance its appearance. So, to the point, if your shelves are there to be a visual piece, then materials such as wood, glass, or even natural stone shelves are better option. Wooden shelving can be considered the classic type of shelving. It can be made of high quality wood and it's quite durable, classy, and sturdy in appearance. These shelves are widely used by most libraries all around the world. Plastic shelving is best suited for storage and display of light material.